Breaking news mga kababayan. Madriaga bumigay. Napahagulgul. Talagang napaiyak mga kababayan. Ayan po, nakakaiyak ang number 46. Bakit nakakaiyak mga kababayan? Nako, ito po panoorin nyo. Paano umiyak? Si Dilima naluha din. Grabing drama. Mga kababayan ko, ito na ang mga eksena na hindi inaasahan. Si Sarah, nagulat May iyak-iyak na lalaman. Ito po mga kababayan ko, magugulat kayo. May iyak-iyak na nalalaman pa itong Madriaga na ito, sabi ni Sarah.
Are you crying?
I just,
You are nearly crying. May I just put it on record that while reading these portions of the affidavit, the resource person, Ramil Madriaga, is breaking into tears. Can we go back to where you feel where you felt frustrated and you're nearly crying? Which part of your affidavit is that? Can we go back to that?
number 46 po, Madam Chair.
Number 46. Let's go back to number 46.
Mga kababayan, ito ituloy po natin. Grabe nakakayak. Pati ako naiyak ko. Tignan nyo po yung kanyang yung number 46. Ito po ang pagpapatuloy natin. Ang dami pong naiyak dito mga kababayan. Ang drama to the max. Si Dilima, papunas-punas pa ng tissue sa kanyang mata. Junel! Ito po mga kababayan, magugulat kayo. Ay nako po, ito pong mga eksena. Panoorin po natin ha. Nako po, ito na. Ang nakakagulat na ginawa ni Madriaga, nag-iyakan ng mga tao. Grabing script ito mga kababayan ko. Ito po, panoorin po natin. Medyo aayusin ko lang po mga kababayan na nako po, Madriaga, gumawa ng drama. Mga kababayan ko, napaiyak, napahagulgol. Grabe naman Madriaga. Ang galing naman gumawa ng kwento at eksena ito. Grabe naman. John Lloyd, ikaw ba yan? May nalalaman ka pang iyak-iyak dyan? Ganun. Nako po mga kababayan ko. Ito po, magugulat kayo dito. Talagang pati si Dilima kumuha ng tissue mga kababayan Ito, ayusin lang natin para maganda yung kwento mga kababayan ko. Ito po, matindi ito Talagang to the max ang pagkadrama pwedeng pang pelikula. Naluha dahil sa kanyang salaysay mga kababayan ko na number 46. Ano ba ang salaysay nito mga kababayan na nagpaiyak sa kanya? Grabe naman yan. John Lloyd, ikaw ba yan? Iyak-iyak. Naku po, ito mga kababayan. Ito po ang kanyang pag-iyak. Number 46. Ito po mga kababayan ko Tuloy natin Ito po. Dito po tayo. Yung malapit-malapit. Ito po mga kababayan ko yan. Talagang napaiyak dito. Ito po.
Said amount together with two other individuals. He then asked me where will the money be used. I informed him that this will be used to fund election of Sarah, to which he replied, good, good. 40. I directly brought this money to my house for safekeeping. Thereafter, I used this money to fund the campaign activities of ISIP across the country and to establish, organize, and maintain its chapters for the purpose of promoting Sarah's presidential bid in 2022 national election. Some of these chapters include Quezon, Binangonan, Bicol, Antipolo, Quezon City, Zambales, Leyte. Photos of ISIP Pilipinas activities are here to attach as annexes D to D-7. 41. The expenses for the activities include costs for merchandise, travel, accommodations, rental fees for offices,
Eto
lump
na,
sum
malapit
distribution to identified leaders who in turn pledged to organize for SARA in their respective communities, and allowances of volunteers and organizers. However, upon the request of Attorney Ryan, I personally delivered 15 million to him in his office at the Office of the Ombudsman. From time to time, PRD would talk to me to check if there is still sufficient funding for ISIP. When the initial amount funding ran out, I promptly informed him and he directed me to get another 100 million pesos from Maestrado Lim, who we call Tanda, at the Hyatt Regency in Bonifacio Global City, Taguig City. The money was placed in several bags and were handed to me by Maestrado Lim. 43. I distinctly remember Maestrado Lim because he previously
Eto na, malapit na tayo sa nakakaiyak na statement ni Madriaga na pahagulgul mga kababayan. Hindi ginaya. Si Dilima nagpunas din ng tissue. Yung kasi yung sabi ng komento mga kababayan, totoo kaya ito na si Dilima na carried away? Junel! Eto po.
previously mentioned during one of our meetings in Davao City that he hated Filipinos in general and Filipino businessmen in particular, stating that peste yung mga Pilipino, yung mga businessman walang kwenta. Aside from Lin Weijong and Maestrado Lim, I also remember that Michael Yang, a very close friend of PRRD who was frequently in Malacanang, also provided financial support to ISIP Pilipinas. 45. On September 29, 2021, and despite our extensive campaign activities, I was informed by Sara that she will no longer run for president and will instead run for as BBM's vice president in 2022 elections. This decision caused deep frustration among the members of ISIP. Hence, we organized a video conference with Sara where I personally asked her to reconsider her decision, as we have already poured some substantial effort toward promoting her candidacy for president through ISIP. During our video conference, I also noticed the painting I personally gave her as a gift. A screenshot of our video conference is here to
Ito na.
attach as Annex A. 46. On the same day,
O ito mga kababayan, dito siya umiyak. O babasahin ko muna bago natin i-play. On the same day, I posted the screenshot of our video conference on my Facebook account with the caption, just telling her I cannot vote intelligently. Aba, nakakaiyak. Without her name on the ballot. Neither can go out and vote wisely unless the name Inday Sara Duterte Carpio appear as a candidate in the 2022 presidential race. Isip Pilipinas. Aba, nakakaiyak nga. O, tignan natin paano umiyak si Madriaga. Ito po.
I posted the screenshot of our video conference of my Facebook account with the caption, just telling her I cannot vote intelligently without her name on the ballot. Neither can go out and vote wisely unless the same Inday Sara Duterte Carpio appears as a candidate in the 2022 presidential race, Isip Pilipinas. A printout of the Facebook post dated September 29, 2021 is here to attach as Annex F.
Mr. Madriaga, would you like to drink water first
Yes, Your Honor. If I
to
may.
give you some relief? This is quite a lengthy affidavit. Please provide him some water.
Thank you po, Madam Chair.
Antindi mga kababayan, ipakita natin yung pag-iyak. Ito po yung pag-iyak niya mga kababayan ko. Nako po, grabing drama nito mga kababayan ha. The best drama ever in the scripted of social media. Hindi sa impeachment. Like John Lloyd, ikaw ba yan? O, tuloy natin ito. Grabing drama ito. May tugtog. Lagyan natin ng tugtog, ha? Nakakaiyak.
Are you crying?
I just,
You are nearly crying. May I just put it on record that while reading these portions of the affidavit, the resource person, Ramil Madriaga, is breaking into tears. Can we go back to
Natatawa ako.
where you felt frustrated and you're nearly crying? Which part of your affidavit is that? Can we go back to that?
number 46 po, Madam Chair.
Number 46. Let's go back to number 46. Are you crying?
Nakakaiyak na. Iiyak ako.
You are nearly crying. May I just put it on record that while reading these portions of the affidavit, the resource person, Ramil Madriaga, is breaking into tears. Can we go back to where you felt frustrated and you're nearly crying? Which part of your affidavit is that? Can we go back?
Ayan mga kababayan ko, yan po ang nangyari. May paiyak-iyak pang nalalaman si Madriaga. Ang tindi ng kanilang script. Grabe na mga kababayan. Ano ito? Galing ng script ah. Drama to the max. Drama nga ni. Grabe naman yan. Grabe naman kaiyak niyan. Talagang todo ang ensayo ah. Ilang buwang practice yan yung paiyak-iyak na yan. O, tuloy natin mga kababayan ang mga eksena ni Madriaga na nag-iyakan sila. Ayan naiyak din si Luistro. Si Chua naiyak-iyak din no. Aba, sinuspend ang sinuspend.
Can I proceed na, Madam Chair?
Ang tindi.
Yes, you may.
Mga kababayan ko.
46, on the same day,
Aba.
I posted the same
Nakakaiyak.
screenshot of our video conference on my Facebook account with the caption, just telling her I cannot vote intelligently
Wow!
without her name on the ballot.
Laki natin.
Neither can go out and vote wisely unless the name Inday Sara Duterte Carpio appears as a candidate
Wow!
to presidential race, Pilipinas.
Tindi. Mga
A
kababayan
print out of
ko.
the Facebook post dated September 29.
O yan, dyan siya naiyak mga kababayan no. Dito siya naiyak Grabe naman yan. Naiyak si Madriaga Ang tindi O eto, mga kababayan ko. Ayan, dito siya naiyak. Ayan no. On the same day, I posted the screenshot of our video conferencing on my Facebook account with the caption, just telling her I cannot vote intelligently without her name on the ballot. Neither can go out and vote wisely unless the name Inday Sara Duterte Carpio appears as a candidate in the 2022 presidential race. Aba, ang galing naman ng drama. May paiyak-iyak pang nalalaman si Madriaga. Diyos ko Lord, mga kababayan, grabe ang mga script na ito. Talagang todo ensayo. Mala Jan Lloyd, mala Piolo ang nagaganap ngayon mga kababayan. No? Tignan nyo, tuloy natin matindi ito. Ay, grabing ensayo
Pilipinas. A printout of the Facebook post dated September 29, 2021 is here to attach as Annex F.
Mr. Madriaga, would you like to drink water first
Yes, Your Honor. If I
to
may.
give you some relief? This is quite a lengthy affidavit. Please provide him some water.
Thank you po, Madam Chair.
Grabing nakakaiyak naman yan, ngani.
Can I proceed
Ang
na,
tindi
Madam
ng
Chair?
script
Yes, you
nyo,
may.
boy.
46, on the same day,
Ang tindi.
I posted the
Si
same
Dilima, paiyak-iyak din.
screenshot of our video conference on my Facebook account with the caption, just telling her I cannot vote intelligently without her name on the ballot. neither can go out and vote wisely unless the name Inday Sara Duterte Carpio appears as a candidate in the two presidential race, Pilipinas. A
Tindi mo,
printout of the Facebook
Madriaga.
post dated September 29, 2021 is here to attach.
May I know what's happening to you, Mr. Madriaga? You seem to be crying. Are you crying?
I just remember one moment.
Are you crying?
I just,
You are nearly crying.
Tindi mo,
May I just
Madriaga.
put it on record that while reading these portions of the affidavit, the resource person, Ramil Madriaga, is breaking into tears. Can we go back to where you feel where you felt frustrated and you're nearly crying? Which part of your affidavit is that? Can we go back to that?
number 46 po, Madam Chair.
Number 46.
Ayan, mga kababayan ko. Anong masasabi nyo dito sa pag-iyak-iyak ni Madriaga? Na tinalo pa si John Lloyd at Piolo Pascual. Kumbaga sa Oscar, pang Oscar winning award ito ng Hollywood, mga kababayan. Sabay iyak din si Luistro at si De Lima. Nagpunas din ng tissue. Yan kasi sinasabi ng komento. Hindi lang nakita sa video, naiyak din si De Lima. Grabe naman yan. Ayan tuloy. Nagkaroon na naman ng katatawanan sa social media. Sumaya na naman ang mga marites. Sumaya na naman ang mga chismosa. Ano kaya ang kakahantungan ng impeachment na ito? Mayroon bang katotohanan ang sinasabi ni Madriaga? O ito'y pawang gawa-gawa at scripted lamang, may paiyak-iyak pang nalalaman, mga kababayan ko? Okay, mga kababayan ko, this is The Wonders Philippines. Ano masasabi nyo? Isang like, isang share, at isang subscribe for transparency, for a better democracy. Mabuhay, mga kababayan. Manaig sana ang katarungan at katwiran ng batas. Hindi yung mga maleta, hindi mga magnanakaw na walang ginawa, kundi idiin si Sara Duterte. Isipin nyo, imbes na yung krisis ang atupagin, gawan ng paraan para bumaba ang presyo ng mga bilihin, lalong-lalo na itong krisis sa gasolina. Diba, mga kababayan ko? Anong masasabi nyo? Pero ang inaatupag nila, tibagin si Sara para mawala sa kanilang landas, para maituloy ang kanilang pagnanakaw. Maituloy ang kanilang mga pangwawalda sa pera ng bayan. Yan lamang po. Hinihikayat ko kayong mag-comment. Anong masasabi nyo sa iyak-iyak na ito? Tila ang galing umiyak. Okay? Mabuhay po.